Multi-talented artist from New Orleans. She's here tonight with a song from her album, Hummingbird Go. Please welcome Theresa Andersson.
Spent our time, slapping time on our thighs, smiling at the boys by. Then a breeze begins to blow, and I know it's time to go inside. But wait, birds fly away, seek shelter. The street, people nod as they pass me by, like a photograph I took, one of many in the book I've lost to time. Don't fade away. Oh, turn around. Stay for the day. In my town.
So nice. Thank you very much. That's fantastic. Theresa Andersson, everybody. We'll take a little break. We'll be right back.
Every Friday, witness those
Hummingbird Go. Our thanks to John Hamm for stopping by. He's a very cool fellow. Huge thanks to Jennifer Goodwin for being here. And, of course, Max Weinberg and the Max Weinberg 7:30 for last call with Carson Daly. You see my bye.